Hello friends, I am so excited about this next video because here we are in downtown Santa Barbara amidst all the hustle and bustle of our town, and we're gonna meet up with one of my good friends, Ashley. And Ashley is brilliant and warm and kind and so many other things, and I'm so excited to meet up with her. And she also happens to own a small business. And this will give us the opportunity to explore how we can use the iPhone in order to create content for small business owners. And I have a lot of compassion and empathy for small business owners. My dad, he owns a small business. And in many ways, I own a small business. And I really get it, how these unique businesses, which really are in some ways the heart and the soul of a town or a community, they can use some help. They need images and videos for marketing and social media to promote and help her small business to thrive. So with that in mind, let's dive in. So fun to be here.
Hey, welcome.
I love it. Thank you, thank you. I love the energy here and everything.
Thank
I should
you.
give you
Good
a
to
hug
see you.
just to be in this zone.
Always a pleasure to be in your energy.
Yes, likewise. And speaking of energy and all these things, tell me a little bit about the space and the place we're in, because that will help me figure out what kind of photos are helpful.
I love that. Yes. Well, this is the Apothecary, Pure Linen Apothecary. We do make our own in-house products, which is a lot of fun and very intentional, but we also stock our shelves with a lot of herbal forward focused products from other women-owned ventures and people of color-owned ventures. So it's been really fun to curate the shop and allow people to find what they need to be supportive in their health and healing.
I love it. And then, so let's move to capturing some photos, I think in this space to just show you here, because I think this is such a reflection of you.
Thank you.
And then I also think we need to show kind of behind the scenes some of the stuff where you're doing some of the work with the herbs and all of that. I don't quite know the language for that. So let's do a little bit of both.
Okay, sounds great. Let's do it.
So you just kind of standing there. I think hand on your hip, so nice. And then I'm gonna scoot a little bit this way, just like you're doing. I like touching that because if you feel connected, I think hand on your hip was sort of fun. This is waist up. And this looks so nice. There's plants, there's greenery. Your hair is looking so good too.
Thank you.
I haven't actually paid attention to it yet, but it's lighter than last time.
I constantly am blonding it.
You are, yes. It looks so good. I like looking up. That was so fun. I'm gonna kind of kill our moment because we were both smiling, is just for a teaching moment, is what I was doing. Obviously, I mean, it was sincere, but I was complimenting something I noticed, and then you kind of smiled, and then I kind of smiled, and I got a good photo. And so part of us is just having this conversation as we're doing this. So you're doing great. Kind of walk over here.
Okay.
That was kind of fun. Your little head, you kind of were tilted. Yeah, playful. And let's do one looking out the window. You remain, oh, that's magic. That's magic right there. That's magic. Let me just go like that. And then let's come up to this table, just so we have one near a table.
Okay.
And just standing next to it. And I'm gonna go to portrait mode here, capture a couple images and zoom in, just to blur out the background a smidge. Love that. And then, because you do work the front desk sometimes, let's do one over here. Okay. And I like how, I think, I've been saying, let's keep it conversational. And even if you're just standing here away from a transaction and someone asks you something.
Yes.
So you're leaning, because I think lean means you're
comfortable and
you're not checking your phone, you're not, like that. The leg cross, the whole thing is amazing. Get a little bit of your sign, but not too much. And then look out the window for me, perfect. Actually, this is amazing. And let me just talk a little bit about what I'm doing photographically. So a lot of what I'm doing is trying to tell the story of the products. They really mean something. So I wanted to get your kind of connection to that. And then work with the light that we have, so it sort of feels like it does when someone walks into your shop. But then I also want to get some, I would call it special light portraits. I know we can do that on your front porch, so I think we should go out there and get some kind of special light portraits there.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
There's something about the way you move with your eyes, it takes all the light. Something about the way I feel like I'm hypnotized. When you enter my space, puts my world out of place. I can't help it, I can't get out. I can't take it, I need you now. I can't hold it, I gotta shout.
Whenever you're in, I'll just step up here and show you what I mean. You'll appreciate this on a not just literal level, but when you're in the darkness and shadow looking towards light, it just does something special to photos. It's also, I think, meaningful. So I'll have you step up into that, into that shadow, so to speak. I'm gonna use portrait mode, yeah. And then I'm gonna come in and then, okay, this is so great. Right now you're standing, which is so fun, just peaceful and calm. Let's just mix that up. Oh, that was fun with your arms behind your back. Wait, let me get that. Yeah, and just swing around a little bit, a little more. Yeah, there we go, there we go. That was so fun, that was so fun. It's funny, I can see you as a little kid in this little zone. Yeah. What were you like as a little kid?
Like this?
Yeah. But were you goofy and playful and creative?
Yeah, and very sensitive.
Oh, you were? You absorb it a lot.
I do,
Okay,
yes.
okay. Let's lean against the wall, just so, yeah, I like that. Like that, perfect. Yeah, I love that. Right there, hold that, and then just a couple more going vertical. Let's do one sitting.
Okay.
That seems fun. Sitting on your front step. Who knew you would have a shop in downtown Santa Barbara?
I'm saying.
Okay, right there. Yeah, I love that. All right, Ashley, this is so great. Now that we've captured this, let's capture some behind the scenes.
Okay.
Maybe we can go into the back area where you actually work.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's
Sounds
do it.
good.
Right.
Come back.
This is it. This is where the magic happens.
Definitely magical space back here. This is our back area where we do a lot of beautiful production and create our own products, and this is all of our bulk herbs.
Wow. And so, wait, just tell me just a little bit, just so I'm in context. This is amazing. Lavender, I understand.
Sure. Usually the ones that are in bigger jars are the ones we use most often in our blends and in our products. And then down here at the bottom is all of our in-house made blends that we put together, and then we have all of our tea blends down at the bottom.
Okay,
here.
and maybe kind of lean on that wall. Yeah, that's right, that's great. Yeah. I love this. And then I'll do one vertical. And then I do think if there was an earthquake and these all spilled, this would be a really neat place to be. I mean, it'd be horrible. But
Right.
Could you imagine
that cleanup later, I wouldn't be happy about.
But imagine how good it would smell.
Oh man, yes.
Yes, and what I want to do is something that kind of shares the wisdom you're bringing to the front beautiful store, to our behind the scenes. And so maybe that means we kind of stage something where you're mixing or creating or combining or something like that. And even just right here, I think would be cool. Or how would you do that too?
Well, I mean, I could also grab one of our tea blends and bag it up for us.
Let's do that.
Something like that?
Yeah,
Okay,
I think that
great.
would be cool.
All right.
That will give us we could even do a little video, action shot, and some stills.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little video. Wait, let's do it again. I'll do a whole, because this could be fun for stories, just to be able to say like, each of these little things out there, this is where they're made. So maybe put the lid back on, and even walk back into the frame. And then I love how you looked up and smiled.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Go for it. And I'll just roll.
I wish there was smell-o-vision because this smells so good. A lot of different herbs and spices like cardamom and cinnamon and coriander. I'm just gonna mix it up really quick so all the heavy ingredients tend to sit at the top. And this is actually a 2-ounce bag. And for this, we would definitely boil this and your whole house would smell so aromatic and beautiful. And what's beautiful about this herbal chai is that it's all herbal, so no black tea, no caffeine. You can drink it any time of the day, including night.
I love it. And let me do is, wait, leave that all there.
Okay.
Let's do one. I mean, this will be a little bit, let's say product-y, but just kind of fun. Like, you know, just here holding it and yeah, and you know. And then a little bit this way. Yeah, I'll just move. Yeah, right there. There we go. Just get the focus on this little guy. Perfect. Ashley, thank you. This is amazing.
Chris, this is always so great.
I feel like we should hug.
Please, I'm always about the love.
Yes, appreciate you and all the good positive energy you bring into the world. And thank you for sharing your story and your space. And I hope these photos are meaningful and helpful.
Thanks for capturing the vision and capturing me. I appreciate it. Yeah, always a pleasure.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, you can join me in the full-length course where we're gonna dive deep into different topics like composition and light. We're gonna go to fascinating locations. We're gonna explore how we can really connect with our subjects and how we can photograph a wide range of subjects. So if you are interested in learning how to capture better portraits, be sure to click on the link in the description below, and I'll see you inside the full version of this course.